Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm just showing you what my hair looks like when it's wet, and I'm just giving you a bit of a length check to show you how much it's grown. And so this is also what my hair looks like when it's dried and has no product in it whatsoever. So I'm just going in with my R&B moisturizer that I mentioned in my last video. If you watched that video, you'd realize how much I love this product. It's amazing. So I'm just taking a big dollop of that moisturizer and applying it to my hair. Don't worry, there will be no residue once it's all worked in. So once that's finished, I'm just taking my Afro comb and just combing through, making sure that there is no knots and that it's ready to work with. And now I'm just taking my other comb and just giving myself a side part and just defining that part by sweeping the hair as far apart as possible. And now I'm just taking my Gorilla Snot gel just to lay down my edges a little bit. It wasn't working as well as I wanted it to, so I took some Eco Styler gel just to double up on the hold. In the end, I don't think either of them made much difference. So I did the same to both sides of my hairline. And this is the end result. Please remember that I am not a hairstylist. I'm just a girl who's experimenting with her teeny weeny afro. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.